In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do inside Robinhood is first make sure you are running the latest version of the Robinhood app to ensure that you won't encounter any issues. Afterwards, open up the Robinhood app and by using the search function at the bottom of the screen, by clicking on the search icon, you can look up any coin that you wish to send to another wallet. For example, if you wish to receive Ethereum on another wallet, simply look for Ethereum on the search bar and click on Ethereum to access its information page. Inside the Ethereum page, you should see graphs and information regarding the price of Ethereum. Likewise, on any other crypto asset, all you have to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Send and Receive button inside that page. Now, click Send and you will be prompted to include two things. The first one is the amount of the crypto asset, so just include the amount, and I recommend doing a small amount first to check if everything is selected properly and then send the full amount, and right after that step, you will have to include the wallet address from another wallet. Of course, this depends from wallet to wallet, but most of the time you can find this wallet address by opening up the app or the website for another wallet and clicking the Receive button somewhere on the crypto asset page. After you copy the wallet address, simply paste it inside the Robinhood send prompt and confirm the send option. And you should receive all of your funds as long as the crypto asset you selected was properly selected and the wallet address is correct. I hope I was able to help you on how to send crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.